Thank you for calling Lavish Company. This is Maricris Bolocon. How can I assist you today?
Hi, I have a question about my payment. It seems like it hasn't been processed yet.
I'm sorry to hear that. You're experiencing issue with your payment. Let me help you with that. Could you please provide me with your account number or the order number?
Sure, my account number is 678943.
Thank you. Please hold on for a moment while I look up your account information. Thank you for holding. I see that your payment was scheduled for May 17, 2024. There could be a few reasons why it hasn't been processed yet. Let me check the status for you.
Okay,
It appears that there was a delay due to reason a bank holiday. We are currently processing all the pending payments and your payment should be complete by May 20, 2024.
I see. Is there anything I need to do on my end?
No, there's nothing you need to do at the moment. However, if the payment is still not processed by May 20, 2024, please contact us again and we will prioritize your case.
Alright, thank you for the information.
You're welcome. I apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Thank you for calling Lavish Company. Have a great day.